Moving can feel like a lot, especially when you're trying to handle packing, planning, heavy lifting, and deadlines all at once. The good news is, with the right approach, your move can feel much more organized and less overwhelming. Before you pack the first box, make a simple moving checklist. Write down what needs to be packed, what needs to be donated, what services you may need, and what must be done before moving day. A clear plan helps you avoid last-minute stress. One of the easiest ways to make moving simpler is to move fewer things. Go room by room and separate items into keep, donate, sell, or discard. This can save space, time, and sometimes even money. When packing, label every box clearly. Add the room name and a short description of what's inside. This makes unloading and unpacking much easier, especially when movers or helpers are placing boxes in your new home. For glassware, electronics, mirrors, and delicate items, use proper padding. Wrap fragile pieces carefully and mark those boxes so they're handled with extra care. A little preparation can prevent a lot of frustration later. Not every move needs the same level of help. Some people only need loading and unloading. Others need packing, transportation, storage, or full-service moving. Think about your time, budget, distance, and how much heavy lifting you're comfortable doing. You can rent a truck, hire movers by the hour, book full-service movers, or choose moving and storage support. The best choice depends on your home size, schedule, distance, and whether you have large or valuable items that need special handling. Whether you're moving across town or planning a bigger relocation, having the right moving help can make the process easier from start to finish. For moving tips, planning guidance, and help finding moving support, visit 3movers.com and check out their guide on help with moving.